Rubber soft PVC patch production line for double-sided mold manufacturing. Used mixing machine to mix PVC raw material. Include PVC powder, PVC oil, soybean oil, PVC colors to get liquid PVC material. Stir well and filter into an iron drum, which can be used on material bottle of PVC dispensing machine. Now we're ready for color grading. Install the blending machine. Add the color paste to bring out the desired color. This process requires adequate stirring. Use 12 colors PVC dispensing machine to fill face color on mold. When face color finished curing, take mold on 12 colors dispensing machine to fill base color. Put mold which been filled with base color on oven to heating and curing. Put the metal slider onto the mold. Add PVC material to the metal slider. Close the two mold and put them into the press machine. Products are formed, just need to take out from mold and quality inspection.